Guys, this is Kenzo. It's Tuesday. I just want to go through US30 and NASDAQ 100. So yesterday we had a very nice one. All our trades were in profit. So if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. Or if maybe you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like so that other people they can find this video. Maybe it will also help them. So let's just go straight to US30. So I'm not gonna go do two videos. I will just analyze US30 and NASDAQ on the same video because sometimes it takes time to upload two separate videos. Here yesterday, if you missed yesterday's video, you can go and check it. So here we had a very nice downtrend. You can see everything about this portion here, this part, I explained it very well yesterday. So now I just want to talk about this part, what's really happening at the moment, or what can happen. So at the moment, actually, we have a change in trend. We had a downtrend, now the market is pushing up. So let's make something like this. Let's try to draw a trend line and see if it makes sense. You can see that it already makes sense from this part. So we're gonna focus on this part at the moment. Please, when you analyze whatever, please make sure everything makes sense on a different time frame. I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to an hour time frame. You can see that the market still respect whatever that I have drawn on a 15 minutes time frame. So if I go to a bigger time frame, obviously things might be different, but still you can see things the way the trend line will be the same. So the best way is to go to a smaller time frame because this trend now is just forming at the moment. It's not like it actually still a new trend. But guys, remember, even if maybe we said the market will go up, you can see. Actually, let me do this. So the market broke here and came and retest. So the market did not come and reach this point here. So the market went up, came and if you draw this trend line, it will make sense. So came retest here, then the market just pushed up. But at the moment, the market is still very, very bullish. But remember, the market won't just go straight up like that. So the market will just make these moves until it reach any point, but the market won't just go straight. Remember that. So don't panic and think maybe the market is now selling or whatever. No, the market has to act like that. So at the moment we expect the market to, I want to show you something. We expect the market to do something like this. So remember, the market won't be perfect. Sometimes it won't touch our support here. Sometimes the market will just reach this point, so that we don't have a very nice trading. Because if the market moves as we always predict, obviously everyone was going to make money. So the market has to confuse us. So the market maybe can do something like this. I'm not saying the market will do exactly something like this, but the market won't just come here and test here now and then. You see, it can come maybe 2 times, 3 times, or whatever, but it won't always be as perfect. You should know that, but we're looking for something like this to happen. So at the moment, if let me just remove let me remove this. At the moment, you can see we are on a point where actually we're supposed to buy. But remember, I don't trade when the market is not open. I know that it's possible to trade from this point and still make profit, but I wait for US market open, then we can have a fresh move. You know, when the market is open, every move is very clear. You can see yesterday we just broke from this point, everything was clear. But after that, you can see, or let me just show you here. When the market is not open, you see something like this. The market don't just consolidate, it's just playing around. You can see even here, this part, the market is just creating this small candlestick. So the market can even uh, stay around this point until the market open. Can take even like 5 hours until the market open, then it can push up. I'm not saying the market won't push up or push down, but with my experience, most of the time the market will just consolidate before the market can open, because US have like massive orders, then they can move the market. Not only US, even us as retail traders, when the market opens, it's where we become active. That's why you see the market moves that much. So from this point, we expect the market to go up unless the market breaks this resistance and push down, which is also possible. But at the moment, since we had this great dip last week, the market was just going down, then we expect the market to recover. The market, remember, the market won't just go down forever, but can just go up forever. It's possible. The market can just go up like 3 months straight. Even if the market is creating the lower lows and lower highs, can just go up straight like that. But the market won't just go straight down for the maybe for 3 weeks or something like that. So you should know that by now. So at the moment, I'm expecting a very nice buy from this point, but unfortunately, we will have to trade after the market open. Since we tried like maybe 100 times, when you trade before the market open, things don't really go well. Plus, you will just place your order, the market will just play around here like for 3 or 4 hours, you see. So it's better to open to trade when the market open. Sometimes patience, being patient pays pays a lot, guys. So the best thing sometimes that you can do in trading is to wait. Learn to wait for things to happen. Don't just rush the market, since you don't control the market. So my overall picture is something like this. I will send the signal in the group if maybe there is any changes. Please, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, share, hit that notification, and guys, please hit the like button so that other people, they can find this video, if only you really liked the video. So now I'm going straight to NASDAQ 100. Let me go straight to NASDAQ 100. Okay, now we are on NASDAQ 100. Here, everything still the same as yesterday. If you missed the video, you know what to do. Go check the video for yesterday, the one that I did yesterday. As you can see, everything was just as simple as 1, 2, 3. The market was just playing around this triangle, or you can call it a wedge. It was just playing around there. So the market, actually, it was bearish. The market was just going down since last week. So The market started pushing, guys, you can see. So the market just broke this. Let me just try to zoom this. Maybe you can see. Okay, I hope I just don't want to, yeah. So I hope everyone can see clearly now. So yesterday we were around here. So the market broke, closed above our resistance. So we had to buy. I think maybe we bought somewhere here, but the market did not move that much. But at least we made something. But let's see what's really happening at the moment. So I think it's very easy at the moment. The market just broke and never retested. So the market can even reach this point. It's very possible, and push up again. You know, when the market create the higher highs and higher lows, because the market is creating a new trend. Actually, it's from a downtrend, so it's now creating an uptrend. I hope maybe you can see this thing when it starts. So if you get your entries around here, it means it's if the market is still gonna push up, it means you can get the market on the start of the trend, and the market can still push up with your order, so you can make a lot. But sometimes it's not as easy as we say it, but you can still make a lot. So those chances happen like maybe out of 10. You can get stuff like this maybe 4 out of 10 once in a lifetime. So but we also have the nice trades that we can take before you can even catch the trend, because actually the trend started from here, but just because we were below this resistance, we can't take trade here. We have to wait for the market to push above this bearish momentum before we can say we can have a nice buy. But here actually is the start of the trend. You can see that. That's why I say out of 10 you can get here, unless if maybe you are aggressive trader, but most of the time if you do that you end up losing. So the best way is to protect your account, you see. So let's make this analysis nice and crispy. Let me use the perfect drawings. So you can see here the market broke. Let me just draw this so that you can see what is happening here. So here I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. You can see I've just drawn the, let me remove this because I think you already seen everything. So here you can see where we are chasing, sorry, we are on a uptrend at the moment. We are on an uptrend, so the market will just play around this point. So what people expect, let me draw this for you, because maybe with the lines they just confuse you. So the market can do something like this. I hope these things help you guys, and don't forget to like. So remember, the market won't just let me do this, won't just respect our this trend line perfectly. So the market will, that's why I like to create zones like this, you see. So the market will create stuff like that, so that we get confused. If maybe you are a new trader, you will easily get confused when the market creates something like this, or when the market doesn't the market doesn't reach our support here, you see. So guys, I had on some videos, I confuse support and resistance. On a resistance sometimes I see support, on support I see resistance, but I think those things, they are just the same, even if maybe the names are different, but you know that when we see support, it's where the market will just come and bounce. Even on a resistant, it's the same thing. So if maybe I set support on resistant or resistant on support, I hope you understand that, because I don't write or prepare for this analysis. It's a raw information here, so I don't prepare anything. Everything that I do here, it's just perfect as that. So here we might have something like this, which is good. So when people expect the market to go up, they just expect the market to go up like that. We know NASDAQ really do stuff like that, but in your mind you should have something like this, because if maybe you placed your order somewhere there, maybe somewhere here, don't just expect the market to go straight. Know that the market will just, sometimes it can even go to negative before it goes to a positive trade, but the market will just play around here. Why? Because sometimes the market, I think the market knows, I don't know who controls the market, but I think the market knows that everyone knew here we had a very strong support, and everyone is expecting to buy like crazy. But to limit that, the market has to delay your expectation. If you expect to make like $1,000 from this point, the market will just go slow, come back, go slow, come back, go slow. You will end up giving up. Then the market will just shoot up after that. So most of the time when the market shoot up, know that there's fewer traders actually, because where there's more traders, the market will just delay you like that. Like if maybe we had a breakout like here, maybe I no longer know where we thrown that resistance, but when we break that resistance, maybe something like this, the market won't just shoot up. Sometimes yes, it does shoot up, but remember, most of the time the market doesn't shoot up on the resistance or on the support. It does happen, but not often. So where we don't expect the market to shoot down or up, it's maybe when the market, let me show you something here. uh, let's say our market is going like this, so the market won't shoot up on the resistance or support, but here you see, uh, here the market might not shoot. Here they might not shoot from this point, because when you buy, you sell from here, you just expect the market to drop. Sometimes it doesn't happen, even here. So at the moment here, it's somewhere like here, we are on a very strong support, but let me just throw that again. But the market, just because knows that, everyone knows that we have a very nice support, everyone obviously it's buying, everyone is buying, so the market won't shoot up, because it's it's gonna be simple for us actually. So the market will just create this move so that you can even close, so that we can close our positions. When it goes like this, it will come back to around where you open your position, so you will end up closing. Then after that happens is when the market reaches this point. You see this point here, no one is expecting to buy too much here from this point, so it's where the market will just shoot up to this point or even break this resistance. Why? Because everyone is afraid to buy uh, around here, because it's no longer on our support, you see. So it's where we start to draw those small uptrends inside trend line. I don't know if maybe you know that, but it's where you have like a bigger trend like this, then it's where you start to have a inner trend lines like that. So it's where the market just shoot up like that before it reaches here. So the market won't be easy. I'm trying to say the market won't be easy for you. So you should know that these things really happen. You see. So we expect. Let me remove this. I'm expecting the market to do something like this. Even if maybe it doesn't happen exactly as this, but something like that can happen. So let me remove this thing. So if maybe if the market maybe still want to go down, I think the market can break here. It can even reach this point, or the market can just come here, retest, and come down again. So since I started with this thing, let me just show you. The market can just break this point, retest, and push down maybe before it can push up again. It's also possible. Or the market can just shoot down straight without even retesting from this point. After that, maybe the market can push up again. It's also possible. So I hope people understand this, but I will send the signals later on the group. We still have that $15 signals. If you are interested, you can just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp. Check the description. You will get the contacts there. So I think, guys, you will find this video helpful. So please don't forget to hit like so that we can reach other new audience. There's people who are struggling with trading, so I hope my daily analysis maybe can try to help. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.